What's up, entrepreneurs? It's your boy Yakal, and I'm hyped you're here because we're diving deep into the blueprint for starting a business that doesn't just exist, it dominates. We're talking about building something you're passionate about, something that brings value to the table, something that makes an impact. Are you ready to hustle? Are you ready to put in the work? Then buckle up, let's go. Starting a successful business involves careful planning, dedication, and strategic decision-making. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First things first, before you even think about a business plan, you gotta look in the mirror, and I mean really look. What are you good at? What gets you fired up? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Knowing yourself is everything in this game. Trust me, I've been there. Now let's talk mindset. You're going to face challenges, setbacks, maybe even a few failures. It's not about avoiding them, it's about how you respond. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the grind, stay persistent, and never ever give up on your vision. Look, you don't need some crazy, never-before-seen idea to win. The best businesses solve real problems. What frustrates you? What do you wish existed? Talk to people, listen to their pain points. There's your gold mine. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to put on your detective hat. Research, research, research. Is there a market for your idea? Who's your competition? What are they doing well? What can you do better? Look, I get it. Writing a business plan might seem boring, but trust me on this one. It's like having a GPS for your business. It forces you to think through every aspect of your venture. Start with your executive summary, your elevator pitch. Then dive into market research, your marketing strategy, your financial projections, and your operational plan. Remember, this isn't set in stone, it's a living document that will evolve with your business. Chapter 4. Show me the money. Funding your business. Listen, you don't need $1 million to get started. Bootstrapping is your best friend. Start small, validate your idea, and reinvest your profits. As you grow, you can explore other options like investors, loans, or even grants. Remember, investors aren't just looking for a good idea, they're looking for a passionate founder with a solid plan and a killer work ethic. Chapter 5. The legal stuff, don't get caught slipping. Okay, I know this part isn't as exciting as launching your product, but it's crucial. You need to choose the right legal structure for your business. Sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, corporation, each has its own implications. Do your research, talk to a lawyer, and make sure you're protected. Don't skip this step. Chapter 6. Making it official. Time to register your business. Alright, it's time to make this thing official. Choosing a business name is like naming your firstborn. It's a big deal. Make it memorable, catchy, and relevant to your brand. Once you've got your name, it's time to register your business and grab all the necessary licenses, permits, and insurance. Trust me, you don't want to mess around with this stuff. Chapter 7. Build your brand. It's time to get noticed. Your brand is everything. It's not just your logo or your website. It's the feeling people get when they interact with your business. It's your story, your values, your why. You need a killer website, a strong social media presence, and a marketing strategy that gets you in front of your ideal customer. And don't forget about SEO. You gotta make sure people can find you online. Chapter 8. Launch Day. It's showtime, baby. This is it, the moment you've been working for. But before you pop the champagne, you need a solid launch plan. How are you going to get the word out? What are your customer acquisition strategies? Remember, it's all about providing value. Give people a reason to choose you over the competition. Over-deliver, exceed expectations, and watch your customer base grow. Chapter 9. Stay agile. Adapt or die. The business world is constantly changing, so you gotta stay flexible. Track your financials religiously. Are you profitable? Where can you improve? Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from your customers. What do they love? What do they hate? Use this information to adjust your strategy and stay ahead of the game. Chapter 10. Scaling up from startup to empire. You've built a successful business, congrats. Now it's time to take it to the next level. Explore ways to scale your operations, whether it's expanding into new markets, developing new products, or franchising your business. As you grow, you'll need a team you can trust. Hiring the right people is crucial to your success. Look for passionate, talented individuals who share your vision and values. Outrow, your journey starts now. There you have it, my friends, the 10 steps to building a successful business in 2024. Remember, it's all about hustle, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to take risks, to fail, to get back up and try again. The journey won't be easy, but I promise you, it will be worth it. Now get out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your brilliance. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of building a successful business. Keep learning, adapting, and improving as you grow.